Hey, welcome back to the channel. Back in the garage. I am gonna go for a ride, but one of the things is I started looking up dealerships to see if any of the dealerships were actually talking about some of the controversy over the last couple of weeks. So anyways, let's get into it. Now, I know there's like thousands of dealerships throughout North America, Harley Davidson dealerships, and I can't go through all of them because, well, a lot of them don't have Instagrams and stuff like that too, but I just randomly started going through. I would just go through my search engine, look up Harley Davidson, and then just go through and go and see, you know, if any of them were talking about the controversy over the past couple of weeks. And not really to surprise, as I kind of expected it. There's not even a mention of it. They never say anything. I found one or two that were kind of like a lot of things going on over the next few weeks or the past few weeks, but I don't know if they're really talking about it or if they're talking about stuff that they've done in their dealership to promote themselves or support things, whatever. So, however, I think I went through probably about 150 to 200 of these websites, maybe a little bit more, and I've only come across two that actually mention it, and I want to get your guys' opinions on how they've handled it. Both are completely different, to be honest with you. The first one I'll play here.
Are you taking off your Harley Davidson tank badges? Bring them here to our parts department. We'll sell them back to you later when you're not mad, and we'll include free double-sided sticky tape.
Now, so no one gets upset or anything like that. In the description of that one, he does say it's sarcasm, and then he actually put out another video like right after it where he superimposes himself and saying if anyone's upset about it, you know, it's just sarcasm. And I don't think it's sarcasm. I think he's referring like it's a joke. I don't think it's sarcasm. I think it's more of a joke, and I get that. To me, jokes are, you know, they can bother some people, but at the end of the day, you either think it's funny or you don't. I don't really have an opinion about that one. It's kind of funny, I guess. I don't know. I guess, you know, jokes are subjective. You either like them or you don't. You find them funny or you don't. I actually also hid the which dealership it was, just in case people do take offense to it. I don't see why you would take offense to it, or I guess I could see why you would take offense to it. I didn't take offense to it. This other one, I won't bother hiding it because he tells you who he is. But here, have a look at what this other dealership had to say about it.
Everybody, for those who don't know, my name is Teddy Morse, Chairman CEO of the Ed Morse Automotive Group and the Teddy Morse Harley Davidson Dealerships. With everything that's going on, we had a situation in one of my stores where a person came in clearly upset, acting in a threatening manner. And it occurred to me that may have happened because you don't know who we are and what we stand for. And if that's the case, that's on me. That's my fault. We are a company founded in 1946 by my grandfather, a World War II veteran. We believe in supporting our military men and women, believe in supporting our police and our first responders, but most importantly, we believe in protecting our children. I wanted you to know that we hear you. We hear your frustrations and we understand them because we are you. We are people who love and ride this brand. We are the people who get lost on two wheels in the desert, in the mountains, in the hills of Texas, or on A1A and Daytona. We are the people who ride through the rain and don't pull over. I understand what you're feeling because I'm feeling it too. But I just wanted you to know who we are. Okay? God bless you. God bless America. Let's ride.
So what do you think? That one there is, I've heard negativity about it, but it's more about their selling practices. of that dealership. But what do you think of their response? What do you think about the other response? Just thought I would highlight a couple of ways dealerships have mentioned it. And like I said, I'm going to say it's got to be over 200 that I've looked at. These are the only two I found that actually mention it. The guy mentioned it too, that someone went into the dealership very angry. Don't go to the dealership. Most of the dealerships have nothing to do with it. Some might support what they're doing or didn't do or whatever. Those people, they don't have anything to do with what corporate's doing. So don't go into the dealership angry. But anyways, until next time, later.